What's up guys, it's me none other than Geek. So here are the top 5 HTC U Ultra case. The number 5th case is from Skimmy, a beautiful looking simple elegant case for less than $5. And number 4 is from KW Mobile. I'm a big fan of KW Mobile. They are based in Germany. Their build quality is like rock solid for they're selling the case similar price with the Chinese cases out there, but they are rock solid. So this is amazing crystal clear TPU case. And number 3 is from Spigen rugged armor case for your HTC U Ultra. Do Spigen need any introduction? If you want something style, then you can't go wrong with it. And number 2 is from Maxorin, a simple hard plastic case. Right, look at it, look at the beauty of it. Number 1, my favorite, is from Spray rain. A beautiful crystal clear case with the bumper. This phone, the bumper is going to take a lot of the absorb the shock when your HTC U Ultra fell down. So it was me, Geek. All of the case and links are in the description box. Please subscribe and bye.